In this tutorial, we are going to use PyMuPDF to extract images from a PDF document. This is the source document. Images are contained on the second page. First, let's make sure PyMuPDF is installed. After importing the library, the document is loaded using the method open. One way of extracting images is to start with the method getPageImages on the target page. Page index starts at 0, so the second page has index 1. A list of tuples is returned. The first value in each tuple is the image object number, which references the image in the document's xref table. If we want to extract the first image in the list, we use the method extractImage with the image's xref value. A Python dictionary is returned. It contains information about the extension, the dimensions, as well as the image content in binary format. Next, we are going to extract and display all images. Two additional libraries are needed to allow images to be loaded and displayed. Using a for loop, we iterate over the list returned by getImages and use the method extractImage with all elements. An image object is created from the binary content. Then the image is displayed. Here is the result. There is an alternative way for extracting images. It involves going directly to the xref table and look for images. The method xrefLength allows to get the length of the xref table. In a for loop, we check whether each object is an image. In case the object is an image, it is extracted, loaded, and displayed. As you can see, we get a similar result. Subscribe for more PyMuPDF tutorials.